Classmates, this is RD Bautista, your classmate for Science Communication for the Masters in Development Communication at UPOU. Right now, I'm walking across the compound of Cavite Provincial Capital. And I can see also a lot of Filipino youths here. They can also help in initiation some changes. And hopefully, we can also improve further historical sites and landmarks for the city of Quezon Martires and the entire province of Cavite. More than the aesthetic, I would like also to see as I walk in the area the utilization of eco parks and provincial government parks, as it is very great for social awareness and social consciousness, and plus it will also help to boost economical value in the public, since it can be also a center of business and commerce, but of course without forsaking the environmental concept or preservation of the area. So that's what I want to see as I walk in this area. So I also invite you, classmates, and to our professor to somehow visit this area. This is very great place, although it's somehow crowded, since people from Manila City particularly are coming in. So I think that will not be an hindrance. As a matter of fact, it can boost economic value for the city. So thank you very much. Once again, here's RD Bautista signing on for the first semester of academic year 2024 to 2025 for Science Communication Dev C 263.